Hello people of YouTube, we're back, same game as last time, hope you enjoyed it, because we're doing it again. Let's go.
Reminds me of Alcatraz on Black Ops.
Right, out here, out here.
Okay.
Yeah, Mark, you can shut that door.
Oh, look at the moon. Look how beautiful the moon
I'll
looks.
go up in the watchtower.
Oh, how the hell did you get up there?
Oh my gosh, they all just
Oh
jumped
my
down
God.
from above me. Right. Are we gonna go to the watchtower?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I just didn't realise you could go up there. Oh my God.
There's a fight. He's breathing on me.
What?
Everyone get on this leg, we'll close the door.
Why do you keep closing the door on me?
I don't think we can close the door.
No, I don't think we can. I'm stuck, I can't leave.
I'm stored.
Someone with like a shotgun or something needs to go down.
Yeah.
Me then.
Jack, you come down here as well.
I'm gonna get them from
No, not
behind.
down there.
Get them from
He
behind.
jumped off.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them from behind. I'm doing them for flank.
I just popped open that guy's bed.
There you go, Will.
What the hell? I just lagged into the zombie.
There we go.
Alright, where's the
Down,
Right, should
over
we come
here.
back to here then?
Oh my god, I've held it again. I've done it again. I've got the double barrel shotgun again.
Oh.
Look, it's here because we just jumped out there and there's no way back.
I think anyway, I'm not sure.
Oh, it's not in
Oh no.
No, this is the start, this is the start.
Oh,
there. Quick,
where do we
quick, get in,
go?
I'll lock the door.
You sure? I think we went out this way.
Yeah,
did
we
well.
went down here, didn't we? Okay.
Through the window.
Oh my god! I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, they're all here.
Right.
Go through the window.
Yeah, go through the window.
What window?
Yeah,
Where?
that's worked. Yeah, that has worked.
Where? I'm so. I don't know
Jack,
where
up
I
the
am.
tower, up the tower, up the tower, up the
There's
tower.
a window straight ahead. With a little
Yeah,
box.
Will.
Oh God.
I'm
Oh.
on fire. Go kills.
Are we gonna
Run,
get
run,
back
run,
up
run,
that
run.
watchtower?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, go quick.
Jake, your flamethrower's hardly reaching them.
It is. Jay.
Oh, Jack's come on.
Oh shit, I'm throwing a grenade out for you, Jay.
I need a gun with bullets, I think.
I wish I had a flamethrower.
Yeah, does it damages for more than kills than mine.
Yeah, that's true. I'll go buy one.
Ah! No, I'm not it trapped!
Wow. 9 left.
Nice one, Cyril. Will, anyone weak? Anyone weak at all?
Nah.
Big fatty's left.
He's dead.
For the pod and gear up.
Mate, for the pardon, you.
Right, let's actually remember which way we went there this time.
Everyone survived.
1,500 like coins or something to get a microwave gun.
That'd be so good. Save up for it,
I
Jack.
will, I will. Hello, lads.
I need 1,100.
Can you go
to
pro?
get,
Go make a difference.
to get a shotgun.
Careful,
Watch out,
Mike. No, no.
The only gun that I've seen out of the scope, Mike, is a SWAT one where you get a red dot sight on your SMG.
I've got a red dot sight on my pistol.
Oh, well, there you go.
You need healing, Joe.
No, I'm alright. Oh,
I froze the fire one.
yeah. Oh, invisible ones.
Got invisies.
Jesus Christ.
Let me know if you take any sort of damage.
I've got a bit of damage.
Oh, hello. You know those spider ones? You know in transit zombies where if you leave the bus, like those little ones would jump on your face?
Oh, yeah.
These are
Yeah, they
like
do.
they're more evolved. Hopefully, yes, it's this one.
The pod safely open.
Is it?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's literally like 50 off.
Oh, I'm not that far off
I
the
need a little
microwave
healing,
one.
Josh.
Guys,
Yeah, no problem.
Crossbow. I could get a crossbow. Can I choose another gun from a different? Oh, katana.
You earned the money.
Thank you.
Jamie, I've got a scalpel when you do that. My one.
Look at this.
Last chance.
Jake, I'll give you press
All
right.
set
Oh,
on the
the right
score.
arrow.
Jake, I'll give you enough money to get it. Have you got it?
No, there's no. I
me
still
some
got the same
dash.
money as Matt last time.
Do you want it?
Careful,
And then you
Yeah,
give me money.
at the end of this round. At the end of this round,
Okay.
if I don't have enough.
Okay, watch out.
I've been pushed outside.
Allez.
Let me back in.
Oh, well played.
Watch behind you, Will.
Oh god.
Oh my lord.
I'm reloading. Oh,
Reload him. Ah! Chainsaw man's up
Oh
here.
god. Oh god.
We might need to jump off, Jamie.
Oh shit, shit.
Well, tell me if we do.
Really dead?
Oh,
Headshots,
I've run out of ammo.
headshots.
I just got kicked.
how
in
is
the
he not
face.
dead?
Thank you. Flip, I just fell.
Not to worry.
Oh, I'm gonna have to.
Finish
I've
the
got
last
literally no ammo either. Fucking hell. It's only 15.
I'm gonna lob a
Thank
grenade
God.
out to you.
Oh, I need 500 coins.
Oh,
Oh, we're
shit.
getting back there. In busy.
Yeah, he's dead.
Perfect. Pod is
Alright,
over.
Right, where is it?
Let's get you
I
restocked.
need to go and buy a new gun.
I'm gonna sell this one. Good.
I'm gonna put all my money on the floor now.
Alright.
How do I pick it up?
We need to get back.
Oh yeah, I've got it.
I think
Yeah,
I
I've
think
got
Will
it.
picked it up. I'm not sure.
I've just brought the
All
AA-12.
set on the scope.
I
Where
need
do we
to
go?
bought
I
them.
Stone.
can't remember where we went. Was it this way, Will?
I think it was, yeah.
Oh my god, I've got the
Yeah,
pink
yeah, it was.
Oh,
It
no.
was. It's here. It's here, Will.
Oh, there you go. Oh, my microwave done looks sick.
Shut all the door.
Jake, I'm coming to you now. Look, here.
Oh, hello.
Break time's over.
Oh my god, there's 119.
All sets
Oh,
inbound.
God.
That would be funny. Josh, you're really low on health, I think.
Oh my
That
goodness.
didn't sound
That does
good.
not.
Right, I gotta do the
That's because it's not good.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what the fuck?
This
Where
microwave
is it?
looks sick.
20 bullets left.
Already?
Yeah, I didn't have. I brought the AA-12, but I didn't have enough to buy ammo.
Are you joking?
Oh, you're retarded.
Right, I've run out of bullets on my thingy gun. My
See if you can
microwave
get
now.
ammo from me, Jay.
Oh, spider, spider.
Does your microwave gun have ammo, Jay?
No, it ran out. It only gave me 200 frames.
No, I meant does it use ammo? What about the flamethrower? Did that use ammo?
No,
I
if
need
I
help.
uses flames.
Oh, we might have to jump out.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Are you
Oh.
joking?
It's all up to Jamie. Oh, Jamie, if you answer, there's a massive one with a chainsaw.
No, there's not. Shut up.
Yeah, there is,
There
it's
is.
Jamie. Is it all down to Jamie?
Yeah.
Oh, all I wasn't
Again.
you.
Oh my god, it's... Oh god, I'd run.
That's pretty
Oh,
good.
shit.
Oh,
God,
Jamie.
Jamie.
Oh, he's got a samurai sword. Oh god.
Use it.
A samurai
machete.
sword.
Oh my god, how are you not taking that?
Win this, you know.
Just another 40 to go.
Run inside, Jamie. Run inside.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Run!
He's slashing at you with the chains.
He's doing a dance. Oh, Will's got Will can't
Jamie,
handle
that
it.
doesn't work. They just open the big.
Oh, there's another one. Ah.
There's one right on your tail.
Get back to the watchtower, Jamie.
I am.
Safe there.
He killed the big guy.
What's behind you now,
god,
Jamie?
he's
Oh no! What? No, what am I getting stuck on?
The invisible
Oh,
ones.
What's behind you?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Grenade!
he's gone.
Grenade!
Oh,
Oh, yes.
Get out of the way!
I like the
Oh,
idea of
who-
farmhouse. I do.
Oh, no, got two.
I'm
I'm sticking
changing.
with this.
Does not look good.
This looks absolutely
Oh my
horrific.
god, and then
Oh, they're all coming out front.
I've welded the front door. Oh my god.
I only get 20 bullets.
How
Oh,
do you
they can
get?
climb up. I feel
How
like
do
they
I
can
have
climb
to
up.
get upstairs? Swimming out. You shut me out.
You've been doing that to Jack all night.
Smart. Now finish the job. Allez.
That's not gonna last that long. Yeah.
Oh, no, back off!
I froze him, Jake. Get out of there.
Mike, it's going down.
I did it too early.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was a
yeah.
bit early.
Oh, that was
Nice.
such a good grenade.
They're more coming up, Mike.
It's the- I can't see down the in the door
I know,
anymore.
can I?
Oh, it's
Jake, I've got your back.
Thanks. Oh, he's just out the front door.
Behind me.
Kill him. I'm fixing the door.
Will, let me heal you.
Up.
Stop
I
moving.
only healed him.
I can reopen the trader pod.
I'm at 100%.
Right, 14, 13 left.
One of them's a fatty out front.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Right, Jamie healed.
Oh, I've been splooged. I've been splooged.
Go up behind the door that we're in, because I think there's some there. I think the last 6 are there. Mike, keep it up. Keep it up. Just let...
Oh,
keep it up. Yeah, let them just go behind them and get them up.
That's what I'm doing.
Four left.
Slow motion welding.
Come see me.
You've unwelded it.
Come
Yeah.
and get your tools of
Ah,
trade.
that's good.
An ages welding that.
Everyone
I don't
back
give a
up.
shit.
Everyone back up there.
Mike, can I have some ammo when you're done? Is that you? Mike, stay put. Thanks, man.
Anyone want
Glad
any
you made
money?
it back.
No, I'm alright.
Yeah.
Anything.
I'm alright.
Yeah, you
for a
do.
minute.
We're almost
Yeah,
out of time.
alright.
Jake's
Well,
character
that's
gives
silly,
grenades.
Michael.
Jake's
Back to
character
it,
gives
Benny.
grenades. Mike's character gives ammo.
Why is this not working? It's not going up. Was someone unwelding? My weldery.
You sound like a proper B-tech, Mike.
But there's spiders on the floor. We've got to kill them.
I think this one's going to be a lot harder to get to like way far just because it's so small.
Oh, hello.
Oh my god, what the hell happened to my sound there?
Oh, I'm fixing the door.
There you go.
I can't tell which direction they're coming.
The stairs.
That's it. Don't know.
How do I put night vision on?
Down on the D-pad.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I fixed the door. I fixed the
No,
door.
you just keep flicking it. Oh no, you can't get night vision on this map. Oh.
Top of the leaderboard.
How do you know how many's left?
It's
Says on
left,
the left.
nothing left.
17.
So there's
Come on, Mike, screen
17.
awareness.
They might all be on the other side of this door.
Yeah, I reckon.
I don't mind, I'll blast
Do you want to
them.
jump down? You can jump down this way if you want.
No, it's about to
And then
break.
go, we can go.
There you go.
7.
That-
Oh, it's better when the torch is off. I can see him a bit clearer.
One more.
Last
Fixing
one.
the door.
pod is open
Go and
again.
get to the thing.
Let's get
Where's
you
that Mike? Where did you go?
Mike nearly has
Last chance.
$1,000.
I have to power down the pod.
Yeah, no, I was thinking any. I haven't spent any of it.
I
That's
don't know what that does. Where's the stairs? I can't find the stairs. Oh, here they are. Hi guys.
There's one up here. Oh,
I've just accidentally
There's an
welded
ammo
you
box
in.
No!
I'm sorry.
Oh no, you
10%
killed me.
welded.
You killed me as well. Oh my.
I can only apologise.
I'm trying to cut you out, Jake.
No. Ah!
Let me open the door. Jesus Christ. I can't see a thing.
You can open it. You can open it. Come through.
I keep closing down myself as you keep opening
Jake,
it.
quick,
Mike.
otherwise I'm gonna have to lock
Mike.
you out.
I've welded the ones behind you as well, so you can check some of those as well if you want.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna lock you out if you don't hurry up and get back in here.
Jake's fine. Jake, I'll keep Jake
Yeah.
covered. Jake, you stand out here where I
Run
can
it
see you. I
out.
can't see
Oh.
that part of the house.
Alright.
For a better
Oh, I'm
open.
dead.
Where are you, Jamie?
Nice.
Over,
Alright, the flipping.
Oh, I've been
over here.
spunked on.
You need to run over this side of the house.
Oh
I
my
think I'm gonna
god.
die.
Oh my god, they're upstairs! They're upstairs somehow!
I know they're upstairs.
No, on the balcony, I mean!
Mike, why have you welded that door? I can't move.
Jake can't cover you, you're gonna have to cover yourself.
Because some other zombies come from there.
Can you put some heals down?
There's freezing.
Can't see.
I've welded the front door again.
Oh.
We can reopen.
I
Yeah,
can't
just
though because I'm welding the door. And it's gonna break
got
any second.
afraid.
I'm about to die. I'm about to die, I really am.
Oh god. Oh, there's so many of them with machetes.
That was the last one.
Right, where's
Get to the
the...
indicated
Oh, we
pod
did it.
for resupply.
Yeah, no.
Ooh.
Get your tools and
I feel like I wanna...
Your armor's seen better days.
Oh, I
Oh,
don't know.
Jack,
I
you
don't
can
know.
buy, you can buy Scar H.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, but
Where is
I've
Jake?
already
I'm
bought
coming upstairs.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Slide's
Right, I'm
almost
there.
up.
Is everyone else there?
Got
I
grenades.
mean, up here. Is everyone up
Yeah,
here?
I'm up here.
I've welded the
Weld
door.
that
Alright,
door.
I've kept. Yeah. R1 instead of R2 on the welder.
I'm a bit skint, but
Watch out, watch out.
Oh
Guys,
my,
that
your door's
door's about to
gonna break.
break.
Watch behind you, behind you.
Oh no, there's another one.
That's why you
I
keep
need
this door
healing.
shut.
I need heals.
Oh no, there's a chainsaw one.
What's happening? I don't know what's
Oh, I'm
happening.
dead. I'm so dead.
Wrecked.
Oh god, who's welded the door in here as well?
That's the whole point. Otherwise they come from there as well.
Oh, thank God.
Oh god, there's...
I don't know what's happening anymore.
I'm frozen.
I'm out.
You're
Oh,
joking.
hello.
Down.
Excellent.
I must have needed. I didn't realise I was down now.
Oh no. I may well be dead.
Oh my goodness. Oh, he got him away. Oh my god, that was lucky.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yes.
Pod
There we
is
go.
open again.
Oh,
is it?
Let's get you
Oh,
restarted.
In the
that's my
bar
gun
again.
there.
I
Oh,
feel
there's a-
like I need something.
I wish we could get him
like
for
a
car.
machine gun.
You want to
Oh.
do? You can get on the top of this barn, can't you? So you want to try and do it up
Glad
here?
you made it back. Don't bleed.
Do you want it?
Yeah, you can get on the top of this barn. Oh, hello. Oh, that's creepy.
You know what I'm buying.
That's
That's
true.
on
Look,
the way.
Jamie, is that you?
Start to wrap
Look,
Oh no,
Look
we're
at
not
that.
staying here. Get lost.
look up
Can you go
here.
up this ladder?
I have to power down the pod.
Are we staying up here?
I think we should.
Yeah, I think we should.
Alright.
Okay, if so,
So where
then
can
I've
they come
got...
from? They can only come from that one staircase.
Pod closed. Go make a difference.
We're on this ladder, can't we? Maybe.
No.
Right, fatty's coming in.
There's a lot coming up the stairs. A lot coming up the stairs.
Oh,
Oh,
God,
It's a
there's
big
just
fat one.
Oh, I thought you just said a big black one.
Now finish the job.
I've never heard of that.
Oh, cobweb.
Is that fat one down?
Right then.
Can I have some help?
transport.
Jay's
Double
looking
drive.
round the collection.
They're all frozen downstairs.
Yeah, I've exploded them. Oh, demolition, sir. Oh, only 4 left. Oh, don't trophy.
Glad to see you made it through.
Oh my
Make
god.
for the pod and gear up.
Where's the car?
Oh, it's down. It's
Oh,
it's a
wait.
barn. It's
Training
it's
tools
under.
and upgrade
Oh,
your
yeah.
gear.
Oh, I got an RPG.
Oh, I've accidentally just held on to it and that's my
Oh,
good.
thank god.
136 of them this time.
What level am I now?
Oh my
There's
god.
one
what
coming
the
upstairs. Fire one coming upstairs.
So that's what
Oh, that
an
was
RPG.
sick. I shot his back. That's how you did it.
hell? Yeah, that's how you kill it. I did it
One on the
earlier as
stairs,
well.
one on the
Oh,
stairs.
RPG's insane.
A decent beginning.
Oh, we got him pretty quick.
Oh, that's normal.
Couple more coming up. Packing splashes.
Oh,
Freeze.
trophy. Explode. Oh, that's just sick.
Fire one coming upstairs. Oh,
I just need healing.
There we
Come
go.
see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely
Where
done.
is it?
This really doesn't look very nice.
it does.
No. Looks
We've
rather
literally
vile.
repainted. I mean, it was red
Pod
before,
closed.
but it's not.
Make
It's,
a
if
difference.
It's now blood red.
anything would help the farmer out.
Well,
142.
with the door shut at the back. Sorry, dude.
Now,
Watch, because they came from the ceiling last time. Careful, they're jumping down now. They're jumping down from the roof.
Oh my god, that is looking. That was horrible.
Smart.
Oh
Now
god, there's
finish
invisible
the
one.
job.
Stairs.
Yeah, loads of stairs.
He's
Oh
angry.
god, there's one of them.
There's a really fat one coming from the stairs.
Big one, big one, big one.
Oh my god, Jake! Oh my god, Jake!
Jay's
I
dead.
froze him Jake for a bit.
he ran straight for me.
There's another big one downstairs.
I need help even.
I need ammo. Mike, get here. Oh, fell.
Finish the last ones off.
Oh,
So I
Jake,
can
no.
open the trade
Oh no.
I can't see anything.
23.
Ah, I'm back up. Ah, stop coming towards me, you bitch! I'm gonna die,
Oh,
don't die!
Doesn't auto reload.
We have a big battle.
Oh,
This
Oh, we
equipment
won.
is an
Oh,
investment.
thank God. I had to use my...
Those teammates of yours don't
Last
look so
one.
well.
It's down the bottom again.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know.
You
I'll
earned
put
the
a,
money.
I'll put one of these down.
Now
there.
spend it.
Oh, is it there?
yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely and jubbly.
Wait, let me use it.
Everyone okay? Not very much. It's really not killing if they don't have souls, right?
Ah, look at that.
Break time's over.
No.
Get back to
Damn it,
work.
I didn't fill my
All
ammo.
Zeds inbound.
Can I have some ammo?
Oh, what the hell?
No.
Oh, is that the boss?
Oh,
Oh god.
He's got a sentry gun.
Patrick.
Oh, we're
Oh,
screwed.
look how much health he's got as well.
Where is he?
Is it just
It's
him?
just be a sick kind of joke.
I think
We
that
can
That's
just kind of
good.
if it's
train
just
up and
him,
down.
if it's just him, we don't need to be outside, aren't we?
Holy smokes.
Oh my god, he's coming.
Yeah, go downstairs.
Outside, everyone outside.
Oh my god, what I need. I'm so weak. I'm so weak. He's coming after me.
Ow.
Oh, I hate reload. Ah!
Oh bloody hell.
Oh my god.
Less than half hour.
I died.
Look how much health he's on. He's up top.
Where did he go?
He goes
can hear
invisible,
it.
remember?
Oh, there's
no.
more.
Oh my god, this.
There's
Oh,
thingies.
there's no one was on business there.
Oh my god, he healed up.
Did he?
Oh
Oh,
yeah, he's healed. I
thanks,
can hear his
Right,
gun
okay.
starting up. Yeah,
Oh,
he's round the
don't
back
say
of the
that.
barn, he's coming now.
Nice,
He's got
Jamie.
you, Jamie, he's on you.
Jamie, he's with you. He's with
Just like the lads in the fort. Cover me.
Yeah, mate, I'm gonna chop you in half.
I'm not sure that was the
Oh
best.
yeah, I'm about to
idea,
die.
Josh.
I'm about to die.
Help me. Oh, I'm dying, I'm dead. That
Oh,
rocket
no.
got me.
Oh, he had homing
Oh, dear.
launchers.
Where is he?
Right, down to half health. Okay. With you.
Ah!
Jamie, you want full health now?
I'm dead.
Thought I'd saved you.
Where's he gone?
That's okay, he's just a cool RPG.
Anyone else still alive?
Yeah, I am.
Just me and Jay.
Behind us, Josh. Mini-mod, spider.
Watch it. There's a close one around.
There we go.
Do you take explosive damage?
No.
Ah, that's why Jake's good then.
Oh, what was that? Oh, it's,
That was
Homing
his.
launchers.
oh look how much.
Oh god, Josh, careful.
He's regen the gun. Yeah.
Behind you, Josh, behind you, behind you.
Oh, hello.
Oh,
my-
god, Josh, you're very, very weak.
I need to heal Jacob before I move on.
The war.
That did like a slither of damage.
Yeah, I know. Josh.
It did like this.
Oh, dog. I
We're
don't know
gonna
more.
run out of ammo before we kill him.
I know.
Oh,
God,
God.
Josh.
Oh, God. That's.
Come on, then.
God.
You needed to deflect
It's the
from
way
your
he just
sword.
jumped just jumped up over that. I was
All eyes on you, Josh.
wanna
all
try
eyes
him.
on you. Oh, it's no fair that he regens his health like that.
oh god.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's impossible. Jeez.
I run out of ammo.
Oh,
He's so hard.
well, we might do this again. I think we will, because we're enjoying it quite a bit, and I hope you lot are enjoying it too. But until then, it's a goodbye from Mike, Jamie, Will, Josh.
Goodbye.
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 Until next time, please subscribe, like the video, follow me on Twitter if you want to, and there'll be more videos soon. So good night and God bless.